Hello. Do you know you can save your TikTok videos without the watermark, and even videos from Instagram without even stressing yourself? Tunde not post, you always like it, you love his post, and you feel like I want to save his videos on Instagram. Yes, you can just save videos on Instagram, but today I will teach you the full secret on how to do that.
Obi, import and export.
But now, if after teaching you and you don't know how to do it, then you need therapy. Follow my steps now, and you will know immediately how to do these things very easy. Let's go. Kindly follow me if you haven't followed me. So now, go to your Telegram app, search for at TT Kubot. TT Kubot. It is at the sidebar in case you didn't get what I said. Then now, open the chat of the TT Kubot. This is the video I did before the tutorial. Then go back to your TikTok, copy the link of the video you want to edit. Once it is copied, go back to the Telegram app at the TT Kubot chat. Then paste the link in there. Follow the instructions, follow the channel, join the channel. Then go back to your chat, check subscription. Once that is done, then your video will be generated to you. Now, can you see there is no watermark on this video? The watermark, the TikTok watermark is gone. So on it, you can save the video. Then go to your phone gallery. It is automatically saved there. Can you see the watermark on the video? Press the like button if you are watching this. Therefore, this Instagram, if you want to save your Instagram videos or a post, then you like the video, you feel like saving it to your phone, then this is the step here. I don't want to use Reels actually because most people don't watch Reels, so I feel like it's too dead not post. So you copy the link of the post of the video you want to save, or the post you want to save. You can actually use it to save image as well. You can save image with it, and you can save videos with it as well. Just copy the link of the post you want to save to your phone. Go to your Telegram app, search for at Save Gram bot. Once it is open, paste the link in there. It will generate the post. Then now this is the image Tunde not posted, and this is the video beside it. Just click download the video, download the video, and once the video is downloaded, save it to your phone. Then once you save it to your phone, it will automatically appear on your phone. Just make sure you download this. Then go to your photos. You can see it is saved to my photo. Very simple. Kindly follow me for more tips like this.